Hello again. Today we have another video. We got two great phones, two nice phones. We got Samsung Galaxy A50 and Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're gonna do a quick speed test. I've been choosing a few apps and a few games, and we're gonna see which one is faster. Well, it's a bit silly, but we got a very powerful phone S10 and a mid-range phone A50. Well, let's say that both of these phones are running Android 9, and the Galaxy S10 Plus, it's running Exynos 9820 on 8 nanometers, and Galaxy A50, it's running Exynos 96110 on 10 nanometers. So they're octa-core, but a different chipset, much stronger on Galaxy S10 Plus. Also the GPU for these phones, Samsung Galaxy A50 is coming with a Mali G72, and Galaxy S10 Plus is coming with a Mali G76. So we're gonna start running a few tests and a speed test for these apps, and then we're gonna come back and see which one is keeping the apps in the background and which one is more faster, and would be like interesting to see if it's any big difference between these two great phones. So let's start with the first app, and we can see Galaxy S10 Plus, it's more faster. A little bit more faster on S10 Plus. Well, not that much difference on this one. And let's see the next app. Well, the same. Yeah, a bit more faster on S10 Plus, but it's right behind. It's not that slow like it should be. Well, quite in the same time for YouTube, so it's quite great. Yeah, just right behind. Let's see the next one. First S10 Plus and A50 after, right after. Well, straight on S10 Plus and Galaxy A50 after. We're gonna do now a speed test on both of these phones. Okay, S10 Plus was the first one, and we're just gonna go. And 9 megabytes, and let's see the upload. To 25. Okay, so let's try now the A50 and go again. You're gonna see it's a bit slower than Galaxy S10 Plus, because on this one it's switch on megabytes, and this one it's on megabits. And we're gonna change from the settings, and we're gonna know exactly back on results. So it's a huge difference between the download. It's 929 for S10 Plus, and it's 395 for A50, and seems to be the same upload for both of these phones. So alright then, let's move on Antutu. Okay, So S10 Plus is coming with a total of 327,153,000 points, and Galaxy A50 is coming with 145,165,000 points, and it's more than double on S10 Plus. And let's see ranking. Let's see the places for both of these phones. Okay, so S10 Plus is on the first place here, and actually I don't see A50 anywhere. So yeah, I don't know where is it A50 on this place. So Galaxy S10 Plus, it's right behind. Probably this is a much stronger version. Okay, let's do some apps now and see which one is faster on the apps. Let's force it a bit. 1, 2, 3. You can see it's more bright, the colors are more bright on A50. And we're not gonna play. Looking stunning on these AMOLED screens. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, so A50, it's quite behind on this one. Angry Birds 2, and it's already started on S10 Plus. And yeah, A50 quite after a few seconds. Okay, let's move on the next one, Minion Rush. Okay, S10 Plus first, and right after Abway. Okay, seems to be S10 first, and after A50. Okay, great. So it's not a huge difference between these two phones, which the price for this one it's more than half, like a Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's go back and let's see which one keeps the apps better in the background. So we're gonna do it like from the last one. Still there. And back on Mini, still there. Quick on both phones. Come on, Angry. It's quite angry on S10 Plus. Yeah, still here. Both of these phones. So until now, it's just Angry Birds quicker on S10 Plus. Slightly faster on A50, I'm not sure. Yeah, S10 Plus on this one. And let's move on up. S10 Plus again. S10 Plus again. Yeah. So it's right behind, right behind. Yeah. Be surprised how fast they are. S10 Plus and A50, so two great phones from Samsung. Yeah, right after. So it's A50 right behind. So it's not a big difference. So yeah, two great phones, but more cheaper A50 than S10 Plus. Both with AMOLED display and looks in quite great, honestly. and if we can see, the brightness on both of these phones are on maximum, but I don't know why, but on A50 looks more bright than Galaxy S10 Plus. So it's quite great for the phone. Okay, so thank you for watching this quick speed test, and if you like it, press that like button, subscribe and share, and let's support this channel to be a little bit bigger, and I appreciate that. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on the next video. See ya.